Hello friends, welcome to my channel MySakhi. If you also like non-veg food and want to eat a dish rich in protein, so try this mutton keema recipe. Such spices are added to it which are already available in your kitchen and you can make it easily. So let's see its recipe. Here we are making keema for total of 5 people. So for this we will take 300 grams of keema, 50 grams of green peas, 2 finely chopped tomatoes, 4 medium-sized finely chopped onions. Here we will take dry spices, 2 tablespoon red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder and 1 tablespoon garam masala powder. Here are some whole spices, 1 tablespoon cumin seed, a piece of cinnamon, 7 to 8 black peppers, 2 cloves, anise flower and 2 small cardamoms. 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon green chilli and garlic paste and 2 cut potatoes. So first of all we will marinate keema for half to 1 hour. For that we will add salt as per taste in this, ginger garlic paste and green masala paste. Here we will mix the keema and spices well. And we will keep it for marination for 1 hour. Now here we will take 150 ml of oil in a pan. When the oil is hot, we will first add onion in it. Now we will add whole spices into it. Here while mixing the spices, cook the onion until it becomes soft. Once the onion becomes soft, add the marinated keema. Cook the keema here on a slow flame for 10 to 15 minutes while turning it occasionally so that all the water gets burned and it gets cooked and becomes soft. After cooking it for 15 minutes, now we will add finely chopped tomatoes, green peas, potatoes cut into small pieces and all dry spices. Now we will add half a cup of water to this and mix them well. Now we will cover it here and let it cook again on a slow flame for 15 to 20 minutes so that the minced peas and potatoes get cooked and become soft. Cook it while stirring occasionally and add some more water if needed so that the keema doesn't burn from below and it gets cooked properly. So after covering and cooking for 20 minutes, you can see that the keema has been cooked and soft. All the spices have been cooked well and the oil has also left the spices. So now we will garnish it with spicy green chilies, and heart leaves. Heart leaves are optional here. If you want, don't put it. Heart leaves gives a strong and different flavor to the keema and its taste is completely different from normal keema gravy and it makes gravy very tasteful. After adding the bhaji, we will let the gravy simmer for 2 to 3 minutes so that the flavor of bhaji mix well with this keema. So here our delicious keema gravy is ready. It doesn't take much time to make it. You can make it anytime as per your choice and mood. So if you also like to eat keema gravy and you like this recipe, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.